Hello, my name is Deborah Laurel, and I have a question for you. Have you ever been burnt by a bad hire? Take Jim, for example. Jim had been interviewing for a few days and finally felt that he had a good candidate. Jeff's resume was excellent. He definitely had the training and experience necessary for the job. His references were glowing, and he was able to answer every interview question with confidence. Jim offered the position to Jeff, expecting great things. But it soon became apparent that Jeff wasn't a team player. He hoarded information, making it difficult for his teammates to do their jobs. He had shown during the interview, but tarnished once on the job. He wasn't a good fit at all. If you've experienced this type of disappointment, please join us in the half-day program, How to Hire the Right Person. Jim learned that even if the resume and reference accurately confirm a candidate's qualifications to perform the job, there are still two other criteria that must be considered in order to ensure the candidate is the best fit for the job. Bring a description of your vacant position, and you will leave our session with two screening methods that will ensure that you get the person that you really need and want.